Hey guys, it's me Hina and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a guest with me. He is Placid and he owns this very beautiful salon in Bandra. And he actually just colored my hair, which I'm absolutely in love with. So while I was coming here, I actually tweeted a picture and asked you guys if you have any questions for the hair expert. And I've got a lot of questions. I've written down all the questions in here. So, are you ready for the questions to be
Yeah, sure.
answered?
Go ahead.
Okay, so a fun fact, I just got to know it today that he is the man who owns this beautiful salon. So, the first question is how did it all start? I mean, it is really amazing.
So it actually started about 6.5 years ago, when I was actually working previously with Nalini and Yasmin.
Oh, you were?
Yes, so I worked with them for like 10 years. So this was automatically the next
Step.
thing to do, is to
Exactly.
start off on my own. So it's been about 6.5 years, and it's been a great journey. So
I know, I can just imagine. It is amazing, guys. If you stay in Mumbai, you must come to this salon.
thank you.
And you
thank
say, I sent you here, please.
you. Thank you, thank you.
So, I've seen you just working on people's hair like all the time while I was here. So, I want to know what is your favorite part about this job?
I think it's the satisfaction that you see on people's face, once the job is done.
Right.
I think that is priceless. So and
Absolutely.
that is what keeps you going. And it's been 16 and a half years in this profession, and I
Oh,
don't
wow.
feel like a single day that I'm fed up or I'm bored or I want to look for other options. It just keeps me, I think this is what keeps me motivated
I know.
and what keeps me going. Yeah. So
I-
the job satisfaction is the highest.
Absolutely. And then I can say that, you've actually put a smile on my face because I absolutely love my hair color.
So glad.
So, since we're talking about hair color, I did receive a lot of questions from a lot of people and they want to know that, how can they identify the best color for their skin type, like mostly Indian skin type or duskier skin type, because a lot of people prefer coloring their hair at home. So, what would be the best method?
See, first of all, very honestly, I wouldn't recommend coloring hair at home
Okay.
because it's chemicals at the end of the day.
Right, right.
So if you do something that is not correct, it can damage the hair.
Absolutely.
So which repair is something that you should avoid.
Right.
So rather not color your hair at home unless it is simple coloring, like you want to cover your grays and things like that. Then it's okay. That's the
Okay.
first thing. And secondly, it's the look that you want to achieve. And I think everybody goes through different phases in their lives.
Right.
So there is a palette of color that suits almost everybody.
Right.
It's how you play around
Right.
with it. Like the notion that everybody has is that dark skinned girls can't have light hair.
I know, and I've heard this from a lot of people.
Yes, so that's not true at all. It's how the tone of the color that matters and how the color is placed on the hair. So if
Right.
you have too much of light around the face, then that will clash. But a dark skinned lady can have light hair as well because it can accentuate and bring out her color really well.
Absolutely. So since we are talking about Vela hair, can you suggest some shade numbers which a lot of dusky or Indian skin tones can go to?
I think 7 and 8 level are the two level of tones.
Okay.
That level of colors
Okay.
that duskier tones can go with.
Absolutely. So that is the color you should ask for your hairstylist the next time you visit a salon.
Yes, absolutely.
So another interesting questions I've got from one of my readers: what are the hair color trends for the season?
See, the hair color trends for the season has definitely been ombre and the balayage technique. Yeah, so it's been around for quite some time, and it's also going to stay because it's a really really nice technique to use for people who like to experiment with their hair,
Correct.
because it's not color all over the hair. It's just color only on the ends. So every 3 months when you want to change your color, it's easier.
It's
There's
easier.
less damage. So
Exactly.
that's the technique that's very in. But although the color that's very in, I particularly believe that there is no color that's in. It's a color that works for you,
Absolutely.
and the color that works for your mood. You might be in a mood where you're in this very girly phase. Then you might be in this mood where you're very like a gothic kind of a person.
Correct.
So everybody goes through different phases in their lives. So when you're in a very gothic phase, you probably want your hair very dark, or you want it really
Absolutely.
sleek, and you want it very structured. So I think that's what.
So it's
yeah,
what suits your personality.
exactly. It's absolutely that.
And another interesting question is, I get this question a lot. So I know there's no right or a wrong way to do it, but how often should one wash their hair?
Whenever it's dirty.
Whenever it's dirty. So there's
Whenever
no
you-
way that you have to wash
No.
it twice a day, thrice a week, or
Nothing
something
like that. Whenever you feel like your scalp needs to be clean, that's the most basic thing. So like different people have
Right.
different scalp types. So if your scalp is extremely oily, then you need to wash it every day. As long as you're using a good quality product, you really don't need to bother about damage.
I think this is the most perfect answer I've received so far, because I've asked so many people and they're like, you should wash it twice a day, thrice a day.
No.
stuff
When
like
you
that.
feel like it's greasy, when you feel like you've been out all day, and the next day you feel like it's
Right.
dirty, you rather have a clean scalp and clean hair, then go with a trend that says wash your hair every 3 days.
Absolutely, I agree.
Yeah.
So, since we're talking about washing your hair, what products do you recommend to wash your hair to make your color last for a very long time?
Bella has this range called Color Protection from SP called Color Save. So that is perfect. It has a mask as well.
Okay.
So you could use that.
Is it that white color bottle?
Yes.
The white one. Okay,
White
I've
one.
used that. It's
Yeah.
amazing. It smells really nice.
Yeah.
And like we just spoke about how often one should wash your hair, but how often do you think a person should color their hair? Because
I think if it's roots and you just need to get your touch-up
Touch-ups?
done, then it's every 4 to 6 weeks.
okay,
Otherwise, if it's your full color, it can be anything between 3 and 6 months.
so not before 3 months. 3
No.
months is the minimum
No.
time. And how should we take care of the colored hair? Like
I think-
treated or colored or straightened?
I think the most basic thing is colored hair has open cuticles.
Okay.
So the more you condition it, or
Mhm.
how well you condition it, the color will last long and won't look dry. So conditioning is the most important thing. So every time you shampoo, you make sure you put a good conditioner on,
Mhm.
yeah, and you leave that for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If your hair is very dry.
Okay.
And a serum is very important. A serum acts like a sunscreen. So after you shampoo and condition, you put a hair serum. So what that does is it seals the cuticles. At the same time, when you're stepping out in the open,
Mm-hmm.
it acts like a sunscreen for the
Okay.
hair. Yeah. So I think these are the two main.
So which serum would you recommend?
SP, there's something called Luke's
Luke's
oil.
oil, it's my favorite.
Yeah,
I
it's
love
really
it.
nice.
It's very
really
nice.
It also has repair properties. Like it just doesn't sit in the hair and make it look good.
Right.
But while it's in the hair, it's repairing the hair. So that's
That's
nice.
nice. And if I have to ask you your favorite if I have to ask you like your favorite top 5 hair products that you absolutely can't live without. So
I think it would be, first of all, it would be the SP's Luke's oil.
okay.
Yeah, because that's something that we use the most in the salon. And with the kind of hair that we see coming in every day, I think almost 80% of women have dry hair.
Right.
So I think with that kind of hair, it works the best. Yeah, then the second product I would say is a hair mask.
Hair mask.
Yeah.
And which hair mask?
The Color Save.
The color save. Okay.
The Color Save hair mask from SP. The third product that I would say is a hairspray.
A hairspray. Okay.
Yeah, like a hairspray. A hairspray is something that most hairstylists cannot do without. So when you set the hair and you feel like you like how it's looking, a hairspray seals what you've
Right.
done. So it gives guarantee to your
Correct.
hairstyle. So I think that's
Mhm.
one of the products that I like the most. Also,
2 more.
2 more. We need 2 more. Okay. Also, I think a hair mask is what I said already,
Yes.
right? A
So you've said the hair serum, the Luke's oil,
Luke's
the
and
mask, and the spray.
Spray.
Okay.
Yeah, and you also need like the most basic thing I would say is a good shampoo.
Shampoo.
A good
Absolutely.
shampoo that cleanses the scalp. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, most
Yeah.
important, most basic.
Yeah.
And one more.
One more, we need one.
Oh god.
One more, what I would say
I
is.
thought you would have the list ready.
No, I think what happens typically is with everybody has their own.
Absolutely, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
But one more would be a thermal protection. A thermal protection is a lot of people like to have their hair straight. So there's a lot of blow drying, there's a lot of hair ironing that happens.
Mm-hmm.
So thermal protection is this Trillion spray from Sebastian. which you spray section by section on your hair.
So it's more of a heat protecting
Heat protecting
spray.
spray.
Okay.
So it protects the hair while it's getting ironed. Yeah.
That's nice. That's interesting. So, just few more questions. So I'm like really interested to know that, had you not been a hair expert, what would you have been now?
Difficult question because I think I feel like I'm
Made
here.
for this.
I'm made for this. I feel.
So that is the best part. Okay, so I've got one last thing. So before we take a leave, I have
Sure.
this just 5 interesting questions for you, and it is a rapid fire. So you
Sure.
can't take time. You have to be really quick
Sure,
with it.
sure.
But I just have 5 questions, so it wouldn't
Sure.
be that difficult. So the first one is, what do you prefer, sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise.
Wow. Do you really wake up early?
Yes, I do.
Oh wow. Ice creams or chocolates?
Chocolates.
That's nice. Cut or color?
Color.
That's great. Shampoo or conditioner?
Conditioner.
But not shampoo?
No.
Braid or a bun?
Braid.
Braids are like so in these
Yeah.
days anyways. I love braid. Straight or curly?
Curly.
Why curly?
Because I feel curly is more versatile. You can always make curly straight, but making straight,
Straight
curly is
It cannot go back to natural. Absolutely. And last question, light or dark?
light.
The hair color.
Light.
Okay, that was interesting. Yes, that was it I had. So do you have anything to say to my viewers?
I would just say one thing, that is that don't be afraid of experimenting with your hair, because it's hair eventually, it grows back.
Absolutely.
So have fun with your hair, change your color, as long as you do everything in a limit and you know your boundaries, just have fun with your hair.
Great. Thank you so much.
Most
thanks for your
welcome.
time and thanks for this amazing haircut.
Most
I
welcome. My
absolutely
pleasure.
loved it.
My pleasure.
Thanks a lot. So if you have any further questions, I think they have this Facebook page. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. Do check it out. If you have any questions, I'm sure he would be
I would
happy
love
to answer it. And
Yes.
again, like I said, if you are in Mumbai, make sure you visit this Placid Salon in Bandra. It is amazing. You will love it.
Thank
Ask
you.
for him.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.